Hello guys, so I recently traveled from India to the US and this was my first stop. This is at Delhi. I forgot to film before this because too stressful. So we had quite a long transit at Delhi, so we stayed at the hotel. And here is a mini room tour. I am a sucker for room and house tours, so of course I had to film one for you guys. Who else loves house tours? Comment down below because all my friends, every time they check in a hotel or someplace new, they have to send me a room tour. It's just no questions asked. You have to send me a room tour.
Very tempted to go to that pool there, but I don't have the energy right now, so that's. And watch.
This was scary, but privacy mode. Made myself a nice cup of chai. I mean, nice is kind of an overstatement because my chai standards are kind of high. Just sat and watched the World Cup that day. It was India versus England, I believe, which we won, by the way, just saying. Not many things compare to a nice, relaxing bath. So here we are. The view at night from the window was pretty darn good. Time for my favorite part, OOTD. This is what I wore for the long way here. Just very comfortable cotton flare pants. I'm so lucky that I picked those shoes to wear because they made me run at the Turkey airport. The flight from Delhi to Turkey was empty, so I had a very nice time. Slept through most of the flight, played games. They gave us a pair of socks, which I really liked the print on those. This was meal number 1. I love the buns that they serve on flights. I don't know how they make it. They're just different. And then they gave us like a salad. I got some diet soda, a nice pudding, which was pretty good. And this was really nice too. It was like quiche or something. It had cheese inside and is that broccoli? I don't know, but I like broccoli. The transit at Turkey was one of the worst experiences I've had ever in my life. Let's not talk about that in this video. Happy thoughts, happy thoughts. This was flight number 2 from Turkey to Dallas. This is what we received. We just got the usual eye mask and socks. I liked the other socks more than this one. We got a toothbrush. I am still using this because I really liked that toothbrush. And we got little earplugs, and here is lip treatment, lip balm, which was really useful on the flight, especially because your skin gets really dry, and a toothpaste was provided as well. It was on the flight that I discovered that Matthew Perry passed away. Somebody in front of me was watching BBC News, and that really bummed me out. I discovered that the plane was showing the World Cup, which worked out really well because my mom really wanted to watch it. We saw the second innings. This was meal number 2. This is what my mom ordered. She got the chawal with the chana and cheese and the tomatoes, and yeah, I ordered the pasta, which was pretty good. The cake thing tasted like gulab jamun, and then we got the salad and lentil soup, basically dal, which I enjoyed for some reason on the plane. I watched one movie in the entire journey, and that was The Flash, which was okay. And after a very long travel time, I finally reached, and it's so peaceful.